50 years, the Ford Escort RS legend stood still, remembered through rally stages, touring car championships, and in the minds of drivers who understood what made RS truly special. Lightweight, mechanical, direct. Now, the lineage begins again. The first Ford Escort Mark I in more than half a century. Built as a true continuation of the RS philosophy. At its heart, the Borum 10K, an F1-inspired, naturally aspirated, 2.1-litre inline-4, 330 PS, 10,000 RPM, in a car weighing just 895 kilograms. Not a tribute, not a recreation, not a Restomod. This is built new. This is the return of an icon. This is the Ford Escort Mark I RS.